Good morning, all of you. Welcome to my YouTube channel. We are here to discuss the admission of BBA department has been released. Study from India graduated in one of the top ranked government college Dhalyara. Online admission process is started. Kindly also inform the new student is this time no offline admission. Details of information about online admission available on college website www.gcdhalyara.in। ये आपको मेरे वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा, जहां जाकर आप इसको क्लिक करके साइट ओपन कर सकते हैं। Government College Dhalyara, Department of Management Studies. The business environment of today is causing a marked increase from management education. The Department of Management Studies (BBA) was established in the college session 2008-9 under the self-financing. कॉलेज के प्रिंसिपल डॉक्टर प्रमोद सिंह पटियाल ने भी कॉलेज के बारे में कहा है कि this college is one of the oldest college in this state. The college has produced excellent educationalist, broadcast leader with dedicated and brilliant facilities is always there to make your dreams comes true. इसी के साथ ही हमारे बीबीए डिपार्टमेंट के कोऑर्डिनेटर प्रोफेसर करण सिंह पठानिया ने हमारे बीबीए डिपार्टमेंट के बारे में ये कहा है, बीबीए कोर्स ऑफर्स द प्रोस्पेक्ट टू ऑब्टेन प्रोफेशनल स्किल्स इन द अर्ली ऑन इन वंस कैरियर एज एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन प्रोफेशनल. And one of the best teacher in our department, Professor Balveer Singh, who is teaching in this institute from last 13 years, and Professor Balveer Singh is the senior most professor of our department. In addition to this, he is well qualified and used his best teaching technique to teach students. And this is the second professor of our department. Professor Diksha has experience of teaching. She has been teaching in this institute since last 1 year. She is well qualified as her qualification is MBA UGC NEET qualified. Moreover, she teach finance and HR in this institution. And in this time we talk about the BBA department missions. The BBA department mission is to help them explore newer avenues for themselves. We propel our students in the right direction and help them to explore newer facts in this highly competitive world. In the BBA department, the admission of total number of seats is 60 and the subsidized seats is 40 and non-subsidized seats is 20, in which the subsidized seats fees is 5,000 per semester and 10,000 per annum, and non-subsidized seats fees is 10,000 per semester and 20,000 per annum. So now we talk about admission guideline. First, TDC1 matriculation certificate for date of birth, 10 plus 2 mark sheet, HP domicile certificate for girl student, original character certificate, copy of migration certificate other than HP board, certificate of SC, ST, BPL, IRDP, self-declaration for gap period if any kind of reason. Now we talk about TDC second and third. Admit card of previous year examination, verification from the cut list. Some students have not submit their last year college fees. Same is be verified from the list. Grade card of TDC 1 is to be checked for TDC third year student. Fee slip of second installment. And in this BBA department, well-equipped infrastructure in with LED classroom, computer lab, gym, multi-purpose hall, conference hall, etc. Now we talk about sports. Our department is also very ahead in sports. Our student Kritika Rana won bronze medal in weightlifting, picked the 71 kg weight junior classes in HP state opening. And second student of our department, Shruti Thakur, get third position in HPU Inter College Badminton Championship held at Government College Sanjoli. And now we talk about popular function in BBA department is Management Fest. Is organized by our department in Government College Dhalyara. In the Management Fest, there are some different events. The students gave wonderful performance and won the prize. The event name is PPT, solo dance, declamation, ad mat show, quiz competition, rangoli competition, poster making, song, etc. with lots of joyness and happiness. There are also extracurriculum activities in BBA department as well. For example, seminar, group discussion, mock interview, case study, classroom activities. ये हमारे डिपार्टमेंट में हर वीक होती हैं with lots of joyness. And celebration of Environment Day, Consumer Day, Martyrs Day, इंडस्ट्रियल विजिट एंड प्रोजेक्ट वर्क, ये भी हमारे डिपार्टमेंट में हर साल मनाए जाते हैं. Along with this, the information about our department function also come on the newspaper with media coverage. You can see the picture on this side. And at last, I just tell you that you should get your admission done by our department so that you can make your future bright with lots of joyness and happiness. आगे की बीबी अपडेट्स के लिए मेरे साथ जुड़ते रहिए और मेरे वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपको कॉलेज का लिंक मिल जाएगा, जहां जाकर आप अपनी एडमिशंस करवा सकते हैं. एडमिशन ऑनलाइन आर स्टार्टेड टुडे.